Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to be planting Santa Barbara Daisies in a galvanized bucket wreath form. It looks like it's been welded on a metal ring, wire form kind of thing, and then it has a hook on the back. They do like to have at least about 6 hours of sun, especially if you live in a cooler climate, because they tend to like a little bit more warmer weather. There's 12 buckets, and I'll probably be able to plant on most of them. There's a few that are situated in a way that I might not be able to get some plants in, but the way these are sold like as a ground cover, but you can put them in a bucket or a pot, I should say rather, and then they'll spill over. I'm gonna need to drill holes in the buckets that I'm gonna be planting in, so I gotta do that first. Before I start planting them in here, I'm gonna show you something that I do that is a bit unconventional, but I've been doing this for a long time. I went ahead and filled up my 2-gallon watering can up with water and put 2 scoops of the Proven Winners water-soluble fertilizer in it. And then my soil's right here. I'm gonna put the soil in, but before I stick my flowers in, I'm gonna dunk it in the fertilized water and then stick it in here. I think I do that because it just gets so warm. These are small containers too, and it just kind of gives them a little bit of a running start. I haven't had any problem doing that. I just want to, if you see me doing that, I'm sticking them in fertilized water. Just real briefly before I stick them in the bucket. How do you think it turned out? I think I like it. My best friend, her mom, my mom and I, a couple weeks ago, took a little trip up to Modesto to a home decor shop called Mulberry Lane. This is where I bought this. They do have a website. I'll try and link it down below. But what's on their website isn't even nearly as much as what's in their store. They have everything from candles to lamps, shelving, wall art. They even have jewelry and clothing and sandals. And their Christmas is beyond. So we try and get up there a couple times a year and do a little bit of shopping. And I picked up a few garden items, and I thought this would look cute, all planted up, hanging somewhere where everybody else can enjoy it as well. I hope that this inspires you to see something that is unique like this, see how you can incorporate it, whether it be inside your home or in your garden. When we first walked in, I saw this and I thought, I really like that. I'm thinking, what could I put in there? And I picked it up and I realized, you know what, I could plant it up with some ground cover or some, really at first I thought I could put ivy in. But when I saw the Santa Barbara Daisies, I thought, nope, that's perfect, because there's a little itty bitty flowers, and by the time it all starts growing in, I can wrap it around each other. I hope you guys are having a great week. I hope it's not too hot where you're at. It's going to be 110 here this week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.